What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me. If you look in the right-hand bottom corner, there is a little square that says subscribe. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, today I want to show you guys a few opportunities that you actually can promote as an affiliate and earn instant commissions by simply using a smartphone, laptop computer, tablet, or desktop. As long as you got a Wi-Fi connection, you can work these businesses from anywhere in the world. All right, so I'm going to show you some results, okay, and then we're going to go over a few of those programs. Okay, the link is in the description. You can check all these out at www.getpaidfromhome.info. all right, so let's get into it. Okay, here's a program, the Genesis Education Library. All these programs that I'm going to talk about is digital products that you can access from any Wi-Fi, from any device with a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, these are education products. Okay, so they teach you how to make money online. That's what these products are. So with this particular program, Genesis Education Library, they have 5 different products. G100, you can get paid $100 commissions. G250, $250 commissions. G500, $500 commissions. G1000 earns you $1,000 commissions. And the G2000 earns you $2,000 commissions. Okay? Now, the way this one is set up, if you purchase the G100 and someone actually signs up and they purchase the G250 under your link, you will make $100. Okay, so you want to actually go ahead and purchase the highest level possible if you can, so that you don't leave any money on the table. Okay, now the way these works, these are one-time payments, no monthly fees. Okay, so G100, that earns you $100. So take a look at all the modules. I'm not going to go through them all because I want to get through these other products, okay, to show you. But these come with a lot of courses. Okay, don't overwhelm yourself. Don't think about, oh, it's a lot of information. Don't worry about that, because we're going to show you how to market this and make it work. But you have the resale rights to resell these digital products. All right, and every time someone purchases these products from your link, you earn instant commissions. Okay, so you decide how much money do you want to make. Okay, you can always upgrade. All right, you can pay the difference if you want to go from one level to the next. All right, so that's the Genesis. Now let's keep it moving. As I said, the link is in the description. You can go take a look at all those. But this is the program that has the $100 level. Then I have another program that has the $150 level. So let's go take a look at that as well. As I stated before, you want to try to come in at the highest level as you can so you don't leave any money on the table. This one, the highest level is the $300 level. Okay, I highly recommend this. This is a perfect newbie-friendly program. It shows you how to market on social media using free advertising. $325 gets you in this program all in, but they have a $150 product, then they have a $50 product. Okay, so we do have $150 instant pay with this one as well. And all these are instant pay, and you get paid any way you want. Okay, any way you want to get paid, credit card, debit card, it's all up to you. All right, guys, so $150 with this one, $50, $150, and $300 commissions. I'm trying to get to the bottom of it, and this is an awesome page right here. Okay, so we have the starter level, the elite level, and the pro level. It's $25 for your website, Again, one-time payment, no monthly fees. So if you go all in and get the pro level, it's $325. If you get the elite, it's $150. If you get the starter, it's $50. Now, if you don't own the product, you can't sell the product. Okay? So if you come in at the starter level and someone wants to purchase the elite or the pro level, you won't make any money on those. All right? So if you can, pay $325, go all in. All right? Instant pay, and this is some great training. Instant payments, guys. Both of these programs. All right? So great program. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. Again, go to the link in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right? So you want to make $150 commissions? Fine, you can come in here. But I recommend the $300 blueprint. Get that pro level. All right, so let's go with the next one. Okay, with this program right here, it pays out $200 commissions, $400 commissions, $800 commissions, and $1,500 commissions. This particular program has a call center that's going to close the sales for you, so you don't have to speak to anyone. Everybody that goes to your website is going to have to call the 800 number, give your ID, and the sales center will close the sales, answer all their questions, and have them send you money. Okay, 800 number is listed here. My ID is 442-89634. Leave your name and number. Let them know you're ready to get started. They'll call you back. Just be on the lookout for a unknown number you may not recognize. Just answer your phone. Okay, so you can get signed up, but you can only get signed up through the call center. All right, guys. So another way to make instant commissions, $200, $400, $800, and $1,500. All right, all digital products. Everything is digital that I'm showing you. So you're going to have instant access once you make your payment. Okay, and you're going to receive an email personally from me. Doesn't matter which one of these you sign up with, to welcome you. And then we'll have a little chat, and I will help you get on board, okay, to whatever program you decide you want to get started in. Of course, with this one, I'm going to pay for your first traffic campaign. Okay, with the other one, we'll talk about it. So just give me a call and we'll talk about it. All right, so let's keep it moving, guys. Next up, this program right here, $247 commissions over and over. It's only one level here. It's $247 to the person that referred you, and then $33 to the company. So $280 gets you in. Done deal. All in one system. They have a whole complete funnel with this one as well. Capture page, autoresponder, all included. Okay, $247 commissions is what you will earn here. No pass-ups, no one-ups. By the way, the last one has no pass-ups or no one-ups either. DWP. Okay, no pass-ups, no one-ups. You keep every sale. All right, guys, so awesome program. With this one, in essence, well, I'm sorry, take that back. This one, you have your second sale passes up, because you're going to be able to make $494 per person. Okay, the last program, DWP, there is no pass-ups or one-ups, which is this one here. Okay, no pass-ups or one-ups. All right. This one, you pass up your second sale. So you make your money back on your first sale with this one, okay? $280, you're all in, okay? Okay, with this 7-year system right here, it pays out $25 commissions over and over. You get paid every Friday, okay? And with this one, it comes with a residual income component, because there's a $50 membership every month. Every time someone signs up with you and they pay $50, you make $25. There's a 14-day trial with this, so people can try it out, see if they like it before they actually make a payment. But you get paid on Friday, and if people pay their $50 every month that they pay their $50, you make $25 of that. The funnels are already done for you. They're already set up. This is one of the pages that you're going to get. Done for you funnels, autoresponders already included. You don't have to do any of that. You don't have to create a page. It comes with a mobile app so that you can track your business with your app, whether it's a Droid or iPhone, doesn't matter. Okay, and you get paid every week, and you will have access to leads, names, and phone numbers of people that's interested in making money online, as well as traffic. Okay, they have traffic packages, and they actually have leads that you'll have access to. All right, so this is another great program I've been a part of for 3 years. Okay, So check it out as well, the Conversion Pros. Become an affiliate today. So because I want to tell you what the cost is for each one. The $200 level is $297. This is DWP. The $400 level is $497. The $800 level is $997. And the $1,500 level is $1997. If you pay the $1997, you're all in. You get all levels. All right, guys. So just forgot that note. All right. Automated. You can put this stuff on autopilot. Once you start running traffic and marketing your program, the system is going to do all the heavy lifting for you. And all these programs, once you just start promoting and doing your marketing, that is your job, to market and let these systems do the heavy lifting for you. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a few results that I've had with these opportunities, and we'll let you get started. All right, so let's check out some results that I've gotten. Okay, without revealing people's names and email addresses, this is just one of the payment processors that I accept payments from. You can accept payments from any processor, okay? And I'm not going to go into all of those, but just want to show you just a few payment proofs. If you take a look here, there's some 200s, some 400s, some 100s, okay? That's one of the processors. I use debit cards. I have people they can accept. I can accept debit cards, credit cards. We can do Venmo. We can do Stripe with the debit cards, right? Okay, you can do Zelle. So we accept payments pretty much any way you want to send those payments through. All right, so I have many options for you to do that, but just want to show you guys documentation beats conversation all day. Okay, so there you have some of the payments I've received from these opportunities. Okay, all right, guys, so if you're ready to start earning some instant commissions using digital marketing, check out some of these programs that I've listed. The link is in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right, and I will run your first traffic campaign for you. If you're going to do, let me talk about this real quick. Let me back up. Hang on a second. Okay, when you come in with this program right here, where you earn these $300 commissions, I'm going to give you the option to get the sales page that I have, or I will run traffic for you. The $300 pro level would get the page. Okay. But I will run traffic for the $150 or the $300 level. All right, for this one. Okay, with this one, doesn't matter which level you come in. I'm gonna run your first traffic campaign for you. Okay, just wanted to put that tidbit in there before I forgot. All right, guys, and if you have questions, reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer those for you. And again, you will have one-on-one ongoing support from me. Doesn't matter which program you get started in. All right. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out this video. Don't forget to look in the bottom right hand corner. You're going to see a square, a little red square that says subscribe. Don't forget to smash it, smash that subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.